What's up guys, this is me Sudarshan and you're watching my channel SJRTD. I know it's been a very long time that I've uploaded a video. It's been some few months that I've not uploaded a video, but yeah, apologies for that. And from today onwards I'll be uploading the videos regularly, so please keep me subscribed. And now without wasting any time, let's start with today's video. As we all know that in today's keynote, Apple has announced some few updates regarding the iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and some few products were launched today. So yeah, so today I'll be telling you some key features of iOS that you can look out in coming fall. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first feature is personalized contact poster. Now previously in iOS 16 you were only able to use the photo to a contact. Now you guys can use a personalized poster. You can edit the personalized poster whatever you want, and you can set it to the contact just like this. Now in case if you guys are busy and you won't able to pick up the call, you can directly read the transcript of the voicemail live during a call when you receive, and then you can decide to pick up the call or not, just like that. Similarly, you'll be able to receive the messages on the FaceTime as well. Now let's look into the updates in the iMessage. You can search more conveniently by applying some different filters in the iMessage so as to go to a specific message. Then they have added one small toggle button to at the top, just like WhatsApp. Now you can reply by swiping it on the right directly, and then you can also listen to the transcripts of audio messages in case if you guys are busy and you are not able to listen to that audio messages. You can now even share your location using iMessage. The next is the check-in feature, where you can send the check-in to a specific person and then that person will get notified when you will reach home. This is one of my favorite features of iOS 17.